Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download or install MechWarrior 5 Mercenaries game for free on PC via the Steam launcher. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. So open Steam, go to store, and in search the store, search for MechWarrior 5 Mercenaries game, and then click on MechWarrior 5 Mercenaries game. Scroll down, and here you will see play MechWarrior 5 Mercenaries, play for free until 22 June. So click on play game button, and here you can see MechWarrior file size is 94.95 GB. So click on install button, then read the EULA terms and condition and then click on accept. Now go to library, and here you can see that MechWarrior 5 Mercenaries game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following these steps you can also download or install MechWarrior 5 Mercenaries game for free via the Steam launcher, and you can play this game until 22nd June 2026 for free. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.